What's up, gang? Boy G here, back on another video. Today we will unbox and review this rather interesting camera that our friends over LNDU, I don't know how you pronounce that, LNDU, I believe. Our friends over LNDU sent this to us asking, it's actually szlndu.com. They sent this to us asking if we can provide our honest thoughts and opinion about it. Now, I actually have a couple of cameras at home already. I'm using Wise, but this is the first time that I'm going to use like a wireless, a totally cordless, right, wireless camera. This one is LNDU wire-free camera CL01. AI motion detection, reduce false alarm. So it's already powered by AI, of course. You see AI everywhere. Wire-free camera with rechargeable battery. Monitor your home, office, store. Small, smart, secured, works with other LNDU products. So yeah, pretty interesting because it's cordless, right? It's wireless, and that's actually amazing because you can just put it outside without the worry that you have to run some extension cables, right, and get wet on rain and things like that. So this is actually amazing because as far as I know, this camera is also weatherproof, as you can see there. Weatherproof, IP66, waterproof, works in any weather condition. That's amazing. Voice control, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Ask your voice assistant to show you the front door. That's amazing, right? Night vision, clear view even at night, up to 33 feet or 10 meters by infrared lighting and sensing technology. Ultra low power consumption and big capacity battery, 5200 milliamperes. So that's 5200, even bigger than my phone here. Up to 2880 hours working time charge once. Easily control your camera and get live view with LNDU app, available in both iOS and Android devices. We'll check that out later on. And again, AI smart detector, or AI detector, smart motion detector with AI. I don't know if this is intentional or something, but it says AI analysis, right? So LNDU, if you're watching, you might wanna fix that, right? People might get some wrong impression. But yeah, analyzes human, reduce annoying false alarm, which is pretty good. Two-way audio, talk and listen through the cam's built-in microphone and speaker. Wide viewing angle. I wonder why it's just saying full HD if it's like 4K resolution, right? 8 megapixel full HD, 143 viewing angle. Let me go ahead and open it up right now so we can actually check it out. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, guys, consider subscribing to this channel because I unbox and review a lot of gadgets, a lot of stuff like this. It might help you in your purchase decision, just in case like you're looking for a gadget like this, right? You will see how it works, you know, what's inside, and hopefully those kind of like unboxing and testing help you in your purchase decision. Please remove before using. Of course, you do have this manual, right? Extensive manual, so you can definitely check that out. That's also colored manual, which I appreciate. A lot of manuals are not colored, but yeah, from here you do have the mounting bracket, right, stand. You have the set of screws, and you have your USB-C cable. Let's check if this is C to C or A to C. So it appears that it's A to C, but you have this kind of like SIM card removal tool that you can use to remove the SD card, right, if you're going to install one. So this is our camera itself. Let's go ahead and peel that. Interesting. So you only have the camera on the top, but you have this thing on the bottom. It will look like it has like two cameras, but this is the only camera that you actually have. And then you can see there's a lot of sensors inside that is not visible. It's kind of hiding inside the glass. Actually, I think those are the infrared sensor. So this is possibly the motion sensor, right? Or something of sort. But, oh wow, it's actually a bit heavy, a bit hefty. Input is 5 volts, 1.5, so you can charge it in any USB charger that you have. You have speaker in the back here. And then again, your mounting kit is essentially there. You can adjust it like up and down, and then, you know, rotate it like so if you wanted to. And this is the one that you're going to screw on the wall if you want to screw that, or I suggest just, zip locking it, right? Zip tying it, or, sticking it with a 3M. It depends, right? If you already have some set up on your home. That's the brand, LNDU. And right here, you have some rubber padding, right? Which you can actually peel off here, and that will expose the USB connection for charging, and then the micro SD card. The pin that you have actually is for reset, right? Just in case you want to reset it, you can actually do that. It says sync, or actually if you want to sync it to your phone, it says sync. So let me go ahead and put some SD card there, and then I'm going to show you the app that you can also download, of course, in order to make this work, and then we'll test it right away. I'll be right back. I wonder why the app name is CLD Bus. They could definitely come up with a better name for that one. But it says no device at present, so let's go ahead and add one. So let's try that. On the bottom left corner, it says activate pairing mode. So click the sync button, turn on the device, and click next. All right, it says that the connection is successful. Camera. All right, so as you can see, it says camera right now. Now it's asking to subscribe for the plus plan. Let's just close that and see the actual feed of this right now. Awakening the device. Oh, that is a really wide. It's perfect right now. It's nighttime. I can actually put this on, put this outside and check the quality. But that is an extremely wide angle. I love it. If you notice that on my phone, and you're basically watching that in real time, right? It has a very wide angle, and wow, I love that. All right, let me install this outside and see how it works. Now, by the way, I haven't even put an SD card on this yet. It's just actually live feeding directly on my phone. So you can also do that. Or if you want to record, of course, you can put an SD card to record. Let me install this outside and show you. Oh, wow. So as you can see, it's super dark outside, but this one is actually capturing a lot of lights, right? It's just default, nothing changed or anything. I'm just holding the camera. Actually, I can point it right now. Let's switch onto my camera. But if I go to the camera, I would just like to show you real quick. So this is my camera feed, right? This is the camera. I'm holding it out right now. As you can see, there's like an LED light on the top, and that's how it looks like. As you can see, there's no wires, no power, anything. It's battery operated, but I'll point it downwards like that as soon as I switch to that CLD bus app, which is this one, awakening device, and bam. As you can see, it's capturing a lot of lights. Again, this is pretty dark on this location, as you can see, but it's capturing really good light. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, sun is there, but you can definitely use this as a camera in front of your garage or your house. It's amazing. And this is a direct feed right away on my phone. All right, so as you can see, I can just put it simply there without any cables, without anything. And it actually works, right? It just monitors my front side here, my gate, and if there's anything, it will see that right away. In the upper right corner, like the settings there, you can just go there, see L01 camera. That's the model number. I like that it's there, although the picture is black. I'm rocking a white one. It says status lamp. That's the one that essentially shows you the light. So I'm gonna disable that. I don't need that status light.
And then you do have, of course, motion detection and power manager there. Now, if you go to the motion detection, you now have three settings there. So it says detection type, detection sensitivity, and activity area. So if you mount it, for example, in your garage, right, in your Porsche or something, you can just activate the activity area on some locations, specific area that you want the motion act to activate. I find that the motion activation is really, really cool, right? Any even the slightest movement is detected, so that's pretty good. Detection type, all detection. So at the bottom there, it will give you option if you want all detection or anthropomorphic detection. Only humans can trigger the detector. Detection sensitivity, again, you can set it up to lowest, middle, or high. And then last there is the activity area. So again, you can just select which one you would like to activate. All right. Now, if you go back to the main settings, next to the motion detection is power manager, as you can see. So you can tap that and it's going to show you the power management. Battery there on the top says dump energy, right? And then it's about 81% right now. You can set it up to power saving mode. Can obtain the maximum battery life after each trigger. Motion detection will undergo a longer sleep time before it can be triggered again. So you can just set it up like that. Standard mode, standard battery life. After each trigger, motion detection will go on a shorter sleep time before it can be triggered again. So it's primarily for motion detection, right? Whenever it detects motion, it will capture about 15 seconds of video, which is pretty good. Security record mode, minimum battery life. Keep the motion detection system on active at all times, or you can even set it up to custom, just like turn it on 24/7, right? The user can set the sleep time and video recording duration after motion detection system is triggered. Now, this is pretty good because there are some CCTVs there that you don't really want them to be turned on all the time, right? But if there's any activity such as motion or anything, you want it to record all of a sudden, right? So this is definitely handy, especially without wires, right? It's just battery. You can actually place this anywhere, right? Which is clutch. That's pretty good. Next to that, again, the status lamp that we just turned off, and then video settings. You do have video settings there. It says night vision mode, color light, anti-flicker, logo mark, and time mark. Now going back, you also of course have the audio setup, and then notification setup. Again, if you wanted to notify you for anything, you can do so. Now this is also compatible with Google and with Alexa, right? So you can even like set up routines or something, right? So you can say that if it notifies you, activate Alexa for this one, set the alarm, set the horn. It's really amazing, right? You can use this camera as a really great security feature without even having an SD card installed on it, right? I can already imagine right now. Again, I haven't put any SD card on it, it's just live feed, but I can activate the motion sensor, hook it up to Alexa, and then tell Alexa to kind of like play a loud sound or whatever, warning, or even like a sentence or something if it's like detecting an intrusion or anything, right? So if I put it on my gate or in my garage, my Porsche, whatever, and then an evening or when I'm not here, and then someone tries to steal or tries to enter the house, it can alert, like warning, you're trespassing, blah blah. I'm going to call cops, right? So it's really going to be amazing matching it with Alexa and this notification. It's pretty good. You have cloud storage, right? If you want to subscribe to their premium, as you can see there, paid subscription plan. It's kind of like the Wise, right, camera that I actually use. You also have internal storage, again, the SD card, which I haven't put. As you can see, SD card is not available. Please check if the SD card is installed. So I haven't put any SD card in that. Device information, again, that's the information for the camera there. And upgrade, last option is upgrade for software version, and then of course you can delete the device.
But yeah, that's all for today, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions, any suggestions. Again, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. As you can see, I unbox a lot of gadgets, a lot of stuff like this. It might help you in your purchase decision. But this one is an amazing piece of equipment, right? I'm definitely going to use this. I love this. Again, this is the CL01 right? Camera, super small actually. If you think about it, it doesn't have any wire, right? It has built-in battery that can last for 4 months, right? That is actually amazing, super clutch. You can just like put it on a table or somewhere that you want to monitor, right, for any movement, any activity, and capture 15 seconds of video right away without even usage of SD cards. Amazing, amazing. That's all for today, guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. But thanks so much for watching, guys. That's all for today. Stay safe and see you on my next one. Peace.